see. New map. They got to put me all the way out here. It's crazy. And I have nothing to do in Buried City, so let's go.
Go to the Santa Maria houses.
I am finding keys today. That is the third one. Not like the best key, but it's decent. Ooh. Put that in my butt too.
Hey, do you know if they nerfed the Hurricane?
Did they nerf it?
I've been looking for the Raider caches, and I have not been able to find any. I found one, and I looked for them for 20 minutes last game.
I don't know. I haven't heard of anything like that, but I do know that they sound a little different. I feel like in Hurricane.
Alright, well,
but
thanks. Good luck.
yeah, good luck. Yeah, it's not easy finding the Raider catches in Hurricane at all. Let's see. What do we got? Spotters, open containers and hotels, search computers. Those are pretty lame stuff right there. I guess I could go search computers. Possibly. Dealing with a leaper? Damn. I don't have anything to help out. I don't know if they're trying to destroy a leaper or they're just trying to get away from it. But I'm going to avoid that area. Do have a lure grenade if I need to use it. But let's go ahead and see if we can do the computer thing. They're messing with it. Good luck to you. Oh, that's one of those quests, which I should probably be doing at some point. Because you get pretty good stuff from the quest, so probably should focus on that a little bit. I mean, it gave me an objective. Another key? Oh my gosh! What is up with the keys, man? This is insane. 3 Raider hatch keys? Is it trying to tell me something? Is it trying to tell me that I should leave? It could be. I would not be surprised. Does it know something that I don't? Oh, jeez. love finding little gems like that. I always try to pick up like those extra heals. You just never know when you need them in a map. I feel like they took the ability to look in computers away from some of these maps to make it harder. I mean, like all these computers, man. Oh. Why do you keep hitting that? Damn. Promise I'm a better aim than that. Oh. 2 computers right here to search. Great. I kinda wish they still had that double XP on these maps for these, because that would be really beneficial. But no, of course they had to take that away. Make it extremely difficult on all of us. Normally, I feel like I find some pretty decent loot in these. Apparently, so far not this time. Just walked right by that guy. I mean, if he wanted to shoot me, he could have. But he didn't. Oh, missed us that.
Okay.
Hello. They really do not have a lot of computers to search in here.
So what?
They don't have a lot of computers to search in here.
I was visiting this for guys.
For the computers as well?
No greasing more palms, so less.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm trying to do that trial.
You don't happen to have a fireball burner, do you?
No, but I have 3 Raider hatch keys. You want one?
Yeah.
I like picked them up. I'm like, why am I finding all these keys?
Yeah, right. I'll take a Raider hatch key any day.
Yeah, they're really nice to have.
I'm looking for a fireball burner. I'm gonna kill an arc with one.
I think there was a couple in the other that I killed over in what is that? It's research.
Research? Okay.
Yeah.
There's one.
And I'll take this extra goop, right? Don't really need the batteries. Now I hear people dying, but is that because of one thing or another? Alright, I am leaving immediately.
Let's use that metro entrance.
That's crazy that I just found that Anvil blueprint in there. Make my quick getaway. Hopefully nobody will kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I really want to survive. Really want to get out of here. So far people are being nice. You just never know. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I want that Anvil blueprint. I need that Anvil blueprint. I guess I could have taken a hatch key, but I'll leave if I can. Let me leave, let me leave, let me leave. Ready for a bite, just in case. I guess I could have put that in my butt, but I didn't. I think I need to go somewhere else for that computer's trial.